Hi there, students. Or maybe I could say hi there, comrades. No, I think comrades isn't quite the right word, although a comrade, a friend, a mate, a colleague. Let's see, for me this word, a comrade, let's see, this comes from the Spanish or Portuguese word camarada. Yeah, this is somebody who shares a room with you, so somebody from your room. And we very often use comrade to mean a fellow soldier. But nowadays, this word is associated with communism. Yeah, a communist ally. Yeah, so let's see. The word comrade, tovarish in Russian. Yeah, this was a word that came really from the French Revolution, where it was a way of workers, of socialists addressing each other. Let's see, after the French Revolution, the idea of Mr., Miss, Mrs., all of these words, they wanted to get rid of them because they were not equal, and they started calling everybody citizen, citizen this and citizen that. And then I think they started using the word comrade. And with the advent of the Russian Revolution, then this word comrade became associated strongly with a communist mate. Yeah, a comrade, a fellow member of the group, a fellow member of the Communist Party. Okay, so let's see, you can use this word, a comrade, to say somebody who shares the same interests, the same activities, a friend or a companion. So my comrades on the football team. You could, but I would say my teammates. I wouldn't use comrade because in English, comrade, it carries this political political idea. You can also use comrade for a comrade in arms. This is somebody who you've been involved with difficult or dangerous things, usually military activities. So many of his comrades were killed in battle, and for a soldier, for soldiers you can use the word comrade without this communist overtone. Yeah, I think comrades may be people of the same political group, but especially for a trade union, a socialist group. So my opinion is shared by many of my comrades in the Labour Party. So a comrade, a friend or trusted companion, but somebody who you've been doing dangerous things with. Yeah, a soldier from your group. Yeah, any other soldier would be a comrade in arms. Yeah, so he rushed to help his wounded comrade. In South Africa, they use this. They used this word comrade, a young militant supporter of the ANC, of the National African Congress. Okay, so yeah, a comrade, a fellow soldier, a fellow communist, and you could say a companion or intimate friend, but nowadays probably is not the best word. Yeah, so many of his comrades were killed in the battle. At a socialist or communist meeting, very often people call each other comrade. Yeah, the comrades in the party will be put to a difficult decision. Okay, but it's usually associated with a form of address in the Communist Party for different associates. Okay, so a fellow communist, yeah. I think very often, probably even comrade with a capital C as well. But it could be a friend, but I wouldn't use it like that. Okay, formality, comrade. So comrade is a soldier. 6 in formality, use anywhere. Comrade in the Labour Party. 6 in formality, use anywhere. Comrade as a friend. 7 in formality, using something literary perhaps. Yeah, semi-formal literary, semi-formal writing, but I'd be very careful of it. And the origin from camerad, yeah, camarada, from camera in Latin, a chamber. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now, comrades. Bye for now, students.